So Google Ads is so much better for a new business.
No, come on. Have you seen the growth of Amazon?
Oh, well, why don't we find out who is better, eh? Hi, I'm Megan and I'm a senior e-commerce account manager here at AdPeople. My role is to help grow businesses through Google Ads, and we work with multiple people within department and other platforms.
And I'm Mike, I'm a senior e-commerce account manager here, and I head up the Amazon advertising team.
So here at AdPeople, we have actually been around since 2002, and we service over 4,000 clients all over the world. 500 of those being on the e-commerce department. And within e-com, we are looking to work with them to really grow their businesses, develop, and just become huge.
And that's the purpose of Leap. We understand that there are multiple businesses at multiple stages of the journey. Leap is really focused on every entrepreneur at the start of their business journey to make it a reality.
So we understand that when you're starting a business or when you're trying to grow a business, it can be really daunting, can feel quite scary, can feel quite lonely, but this is where we come into play. We want to make sure that we are providing our expertise and helping you guys in any way, shape or form.
And that's what this channel is all about, learn e-commerce with AdPeople. If you want to leave us a comment and subscribe to the channel, we are here to help.
So we're here today to talk about why Google is much better than Amazon, and funnily enough, I have some talking points for today.
I think you'll find I've got a few more talking points to why Amazon is better than Google.
Debatable, but okay.
Well, if I'm creating a new business, what platform should we realistically start on?
Well, I personally would say if you're creating a new business, Google is the way to go. It's great for building loads of brand awareness, funneling in more traffic coming to your website. That way you can build it up for organic, for direct. You're looking at returning user rate. There's so much scope that you can do on Google. There's also things that we can do such as keyword research, product research, so we can actually really distinguish what are kind of like your key products by funneling in a whole load of brand new traffic.
But if you're a brand new business, one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world, Amazon, come on, you've got to at least start there. If you think about it as well, third-party products, if you're selling someone else's good, it's so easy to do. There's no hassle whatsoever. Setting up your own products, sure, there's some problems with that, it can take a while, but come on, Amazon's so much better. There is a 15% cost of sale on average, which isn't
Yeah, so let's just stop 15% cost of sale on Amazon. Google, you haven't got any of that. No cost of sale. You obviously have your media spend that you're going to have to put on Google, but it is so much quicker to become profitable on Google. So more cha-ching at the end of the day.
But again, massive e-commerce platform. Think of the volume that's coming through Amazon. Where's that on Google? So as we know, Amazon is obviously better than Google already, but what type of ads can you run?
Well, your mug kind of tells me differently that Google is superior, but the ads that you can actually run on Google, you can have so much scope. There's literally so much you can bring into Google Ads. So you can tap into things like search ads, which is where you can use ad copy, which is perfect, really putting across your unique selling points. Not only that, you can also have shopping ads, which is huge in the e-commerce department, which is obviously what we work in. And that is a real kind of like scope on great conversion rates with your shopping ads. Then you've got things like display, YouTube, loads of stuff that you can tap into. And what is even better with Google now is they've actually incorporated something called Performance Max. So you've got all of these separate ads, but Performance Max is actually all bundled into one. So you can tap into things like Gmail, Google Maps. The scope is huge. So can you tell me how Amazon betters that?
I mean, if you think Performance Max is cool, wait until you find out about Amazon. We've got sponsored brand videos that can now run to TV. That's pretty cool. It's quite expensive, but it's pretty cool. We've also got sponsored product ads. These are sort of designed to look like organic listings. They convert phenomenally well, amazing. We've also got sponsored brands. Sponsored brands will drive straight to your brand store on Amazon. That's basically your own website on the biggest e-commerce platform in the world. Not bad. We've also got sponsored display, and that can appear all over the place on and off-site Amazon, and it's pretty cheap.
Alright, so I think we've kind of established that they're both sounding pretty good, especially with us distinguishing what kind of ads they can actually run. So I think now, do we need to talk about how we could potentially run both at the same time?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely possible to run both at the same time, right? So ultimately what it comes down to is the level of investment for your business, what cash flow you've got.
Yeah, and I think one thing that is really good as well for running both at the same time is that you've got double the markets really. Double the markets means double the reviews. You can build up your business reviews on Google My Business. You then obviously have Amazon reviews, building it more business, more users, more new users. It's so much scope that you can do with both of them. So it's sounding like it can definitely run both at the same time.
That's exactly it. And those reviews are just going to lead to better conversion rates. The customer trusts you even more.
Yeah.
But I will say, don't put all your eggs in one basket, Meg. Make sure you're spreading that risk.
Very true, and I think by having both as well, you're literally going to get more kind of like uptake across all channels because you're just getting your name out there on 2 of the biggest platforms in the world. So I think we have now established that both Google and Amazon have loads of pros for your business, whether you are just starting up or whether you have been running your business in a while. They can be massively beneficial for both. So you can obviously, in an ideal world, it would be great to have you running on Amazon and Google, but you do have to do what is best in line with your business.
If you'd like to find out more, we've got a team of digital advisors here at Ad People. Please feel free to get in touch and find out what is best for your business. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. It really helps out, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.